This video is going to show how to create or edit your portfolio so that you put yourself in the best position to be attractive to employers and win more projects. So I've signed up at No Code Developers as a developer, and I received the activation email, clicked on the link therein, and now I'm going to log in. Once I logged in, I can go to my profile, make sure that's up to date. You'll notice that I get an alert on screen about connecting with Stripe for the ability to bid and be paid once I deliver project work. So really, I'm going to do three things eventually, but two as part of this video. One is to check my profile, and the second is to edit my portfolio. So let's go to my profile. That is the image that I want, that's fine. I have my contact information, so forth. My skills, I've actually included some extra keywords here because these, based on past experience that I have, might be helpful if employers put keywords within their project posts about either working with contractors or insurance or geolocation type apps. I identified that I'm an individual, and then I just provided some information about me, which will ultimately become part of my public profile, which it's really my profile and my portfolio that make up my public profile. So from here, we're going to go ahead and create our portfolio. So let's say we want to edit our portfolio. I have the ability to include a project history of up to 3 projects. The intention here explained in the wording, but it's really the ability to showcase past work, and that's to gain credibility, instill confidence, and so on within employers, and ultimately have employers search for you as a developer and invite you to bid, not just have you proactively go out and submit bids. For this example, I'm going to populate my portfolio with 2 previous projects. You're allowed to populate with up to 3, and we encourage up to 3, but for just the example, I'll do 2. The first project is an electrical contractor app, and I'm going to go off screen here and grab some text that will describe the actual project. We recommend including 3 things in your project descriptions to create a winning portfolio. Using the PAR format, P-A-R, stating the problem the client was having, the action that you took, and the results that were achieved. The second thing is to list business benefits of whatever solution you delivered, in addition to merely listing the functionality of the solution or of the app. And then finally, including a testimonial from the client. The reason I'm going to include a testimonial is because I really want my showcase of the project to include what the previous client thought of the work. And so I'm going to go ahead and include that. The last thing I'll do before completing this previous project within my portfolio is to add an image. In doing so, I can choose from images that I previously uploaded on my media library. I can also choose to upload files from scratch. I'm going to grab this one file. I can add a caption or a description. And go ahead and select that. Then I'll say update portfolio. And in this case, I can go to look at the public profile. Now, the public profile is what employers see when they click on the developer's name. A developer's public profile includes elements from the profile as well as the portfolio. Let's go back to our dashboard, edit this profile. We're going to add a second project here. This one will be for an insurance agency app. Again, I'll grab some text off screen here so you don't have to watch me type. I again will add in a testimonial because the voice of the customer or the client is going to be louder and more meaningful than my voice. We'll add an image. And again, update portfolio. Going to our public profile just to see what employers would see when they view us. So there you have it. In summary, to create a winning portfolio, make sure that your profile is up to date with your no-code platform skills, your years of experience, keywords related to your areas of focus or expertise, as well as an about you that talks about your expertise. And then include previous projects that will have the problem you solved for the client, the action you took, the results they received, actually have images related to that, the business benefits, as well as a client testimonial. Good luck.